Hey, my people, how are you doing? I missed you. So it's another Friday, and Friday like this, I usually surprise you with random pieces of content. And today it's different. It's not some financial advice, but I got a brand new gadget to review. Not really review. I just want to unbox it and just share with you some first impressions. This is the Amazfit GTR 2. And I bought this with my own money, so nobody's paying me to say anything good about this. If I like it, I'll say something good about it. If I don't, well, you'll get it straight as I usually give it. So let's get into it. So what do we have here? An Amazfit GTR 2. This is a super smartwatch for the newest mom in town. Well, this watch has been on a trip. So bought this online for a lot of money. As you can see there, it came from Netherlands, did a trip to Singapore, finally get through to Kenya via airmail, and I finally have it on my hands. And it's funny that all that trip only took about 2 weeks, is it?
Yeah.
2 weeks. And yeah, as you can see, the seal here was broken today at customs. They wanted to ensure what it is and charge me more for it. And boy, oh boy, didn't I pay so much for this. But as you can see, it's quite a really dope watch. And you're just going to see a bit of that when we get on the inside. So let's get opening. Babe, you want to do us the honors of getting this thing out of the box?
Mm-hmm. Just move it closer.
There you go.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What's GTR 2?
That's the version, that's the model of the watch.
Okay.
There we go. Some nice packaging. Okay, then just try pulling the top one for it to come out. Yes, just bring it out gently. Gently.
Oof.
Gently. She's tired. Mm-hmm. There you go. Wow, it looks beautiful. Look at that piece of beauty. So I think it has something covering the face, some plastic protection. You want to remove it or you want to keep it? Oh, let me just. Yes. Removed it. It's brand new.
Looks better even.
It's brand new. Mm-hmm. It's brand new. Do you want us to power it on for the first time? Let me see. Should be this. Look at that baby come to life for the first time. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Of course, I'm helping you, so like do this because you're holding the baby as well. So I'll probably, do I really wish to download the app? Not really at this time. Okay, what did I do? Regulation and all that. Download the app and bind the watch. There we are. So the phone has, see, it's come to life. It has 57% of charge, and I think it's updating the GPS and all that. We can change the watch faces from here, but I want to tell you one thing that I've just seen that I really love from this watch is it's basically how it connects, like third-party account linking. So I am currently using the Samsung Galaxy, the Galaxy Watch 6, which links, I do my exercises straight from the Samsung Health app, and then it links to my Strava, but it has like very few apps it links to. The thing I love about this, like look, the very different apps it links to. It links to Strava, it links to Adidas Running. You can connect it to Amazon Alexa, you can connect it to Google Fit, you can connect it to Health Connect, you can connect it to Relive, and the list goes on and on and on. So I feel like the watch itself, despite being quite, other than being just quite a looker, it's also value for money in terms of the very different apps you can connect it to. So let's put it on the beautiful hands of the newest mother in town and see how she looks rocking it. Ta-da! So, how do you feel rocking the new baby? Not the other new baby, but the new baby, the watch.
Very nice.
It's nice.
Yeah,
It has a big
looking-
face. Compared to mine, it has
Yeah.
quite a big face.
I'm
Yeah.
looking forward to try and see what is in here.
Quite a value for money if you ask me. I mean, it was really damn expensive, but yeah. And so what we like, I love this, metallic finish here on the watch itself. The bezel looks really nice. It comes with silicone straps, and this is really, flexible, feels really comfortable for
This
your.
metallic part makes it feel girly.
Makes it feel girly. The color, the bronzish
Yeah.
color as well. Yeah. So when are you getting out on the road to run with it?
Give me 3 more weeks.
I give it 3 more weeks. But start easy, start by walking. So let's see what else it comes with as I open what's left inside the box. So these are the other things that come inside the box. There is an Amazfit booklet here, which is basically your instructions, times, and things like that in multiple languages. And of course, there is the charging cable here. So congratulations on the baby, and congratulations on the new watch. And I hope you enjoy using it, and looking forward to getting out on the track with you.
Thank you.
Complete, confirmed pair complete on the device.